All right, I don't know how I missed this one, but then this morning's news from a few days ago, actually, search giant Google turns 25 today. This is, I believe, was posted on the 27th. Yeah, so search giant Google is celebrating its 25th birthday today with a special doodle and thanking its users. The idea of Google was born when Larry Page and Sergey Brin met at a Stanford University dormitory in 1995. Reportedly, Brin and Page made the search engine. It was part of their PhD project in 1998. The startup earlier called BackRub. Really? It was Google was originally called BackRub. Okay. All right. Anyway, back in the mid 90s, I was living in Florida. And yeah, 25 years of Google, which I guess the whole world uses by now. Who knew? Well, I guess I can say happy birthday, BackRub. I mean, Google.